To Spain. Hush.
Alright, y'all. If you know, I've been working on this hood. It dried better. But it's like, bro, honestly, it's really not that bad. But you could like kind of see the fade marks and all that. So, I honestly don't think it would look bad once I start using it and using it every day. I don't know how bad it would look. Like, you could really see that, but I don't know fucking why. But I know that to get this to like to do the first dig or whatever, you have to like put chalk all over everything. I'm kind of nervous with chalk. Yeah, you see how this is coming out? It's not even supposed to do that. That's because of all of the. Let's see about this. Yeah, this is how you're supposed to be able to use it for the first time. You got to put this all over to let it be used, and then what you do after is you got to wipe it all off. Everybody probably looking on this like, what the fuck? It's like, bro, I don't even think I care, bro. Just as long as I can use it as what it is, I don't really care that much. Look, hold on. Come right in my own name on that motherfucker. What? You see my name all over this? It's gonna be all over this too. I know stop. This is fun to tell to me. Using Chalkboard on a fucking hood. Yeah, you're supposed to do that and then wipe it all down. You're supposed to basically do that and wipe it all down to use it for the first time. I'm trying to think. Like, I gotta figure out what I should walk around with every time to, like, can I even wipe it all down? You're supposed to wipe down with, I don't even know. Maybe water in a cloth, but I know this is like super super sticky, but we're gonna see. I might have to go get some water, honestly. I wasn't prepared to do all that, but I just did it anyways, just because I just realized that it's the third day, and you're supposed to wait 3 days for this to basically cure. I'm scared that this not even gonna work. Hold on, I'm gonna lick it. Okay. So yeah, this is gonna come off. I low-key just gotta get some water. I don't know if I have any in here. No, hell no. I know I got nothing in here. I gotta clean out this car and clean it off. Y'all see all this dust and whatnot. But here, I'm gonna come back with water whenever I come back, and then as long I don't know. But I'm gonna come back with water and see what it do. Yeah, I was messing around a little bit. I got a wet paper towel. Well, not wet paper towel, but I got a wet thing to wipe everything off. I don't know how this is really going to work. If it's going to work well. And I think this is not the best type to use on there. Yeah, this sucks. I hate this. Ugh. Yeah, I don't think this is the best type of cloth to even use to wipe all this shit down. Look, I'm about to drop this whole thing. It's been sitting there kosher for like yeah. I mean, at least we know it kind of works. But I gotta figure out the cleaning off process of this. I'm gonna figure out if there's like an easier way to clean it off, if I could just wet it off or whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna probably just hose this whole thing down because man. And then the what's it called is like sticking to it. Oh fuck, I don't know. Like literally, you're supposed to do this though, like to prep it or whatever, so it could be written on. I don't know if I did something wrong or it's like doing its job. It's just one. Oh my god, this is just so horrible, bro. This is just coming off with it, and then on top of that, it's like leaving. You see all this? This is not. It's because the fabric is leaving all that, because this is honestly rough as fuck. So I don't think I did this right. I don't know what I did wrong. It's just not like smooth enough at all. I guess I'm gonna keep seeing and keep messing with it to see if I could find the best results or whatever. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed about this whole thing. So I've been disappointed since I actually finished, and I really didn't like how I've gotten it. So that's a thing, but I'm gonna continue to try to get this all off, and I guess we'll see. I might try to use another. I don't know. Yeah, see that? Like, it's coming off. I wonder if I keep using it, if it's gonna get better and better. Like I might just go spray this off, because like look at that. That's like back to normal, and then you go ride on it. I don't know. This whole process is like, to me, a pain in the butt. Just figuring out how to use this and spray it on correctly, which I haven't done. So, fuck. All right, I'm gonna just keep trying to clean this off, like I said before, and we're gonna see what happens. All right, y'all. I did manage to like wipe it all down. I guess kind of, kind of bad. Y'all literally see the job. It hasn't got any like smoother or anything. I really want to see if I were to simply like wash everything off, if it would just come off. So I'm not honestly gonna take it back. I gotta figure out what I could put it on for the most part, like lean it on so that it doesn't get like fucked up crazy. For you guys, you know, follow that gram though and subscribe to the channel. I didn't even do that, but I'm really trying to figure out this hood and like the best way to do everything with it, because obviously you could clean it off. It's not gonna be perfect ever. I don't think it's gonna be perfect ever, but it gets the job done. I think that writing on it and stuff is going to make scrape marks everywhere. Like I could see all that shit. It's literally, it is what it is. Like this hood is supposed to be for fun, shits and giggles, and this idea is supposed to be fun and shits and giggles, and everybody's just able to write on it, do whatever the fuck they want. But I really want to install it. Maybe I'll install it today. That's if I could figure out how to clean it off the best way and do all that. So here I got a bucket of chalk right here. I'm gonna just grab this little piece right here and I'm gonna do I don't even know what to write. Yeah, sir. It looks better though. You feel me? So what's up, boy? Wasabi. That's literally all I want. Like that, and then be able to just draw it off. I'm gonna keep writing things. I'm gonna just try to raw over it with JoJo cars. The YouTube symbol. That was a bad YouTube symbol, but y'all get it. That was horrible. Let's get another color. Dude, like, you see how this is making me laugh already? Like, this is just all I want. All right, Savage. Ooh, Corvette. Corvette. That was, my handwriting's horrible. Don't worry about me. Baby GTR. Alright, I'm gonna keep writing. Look at that. Alright, y'all. One, I might have to redo this. I'll show y'all the scratches already all over it. But this is not that. This is actually pretty cool though. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Just the concept of it is pretty cool to me. What I might do is I might redo it, but I might roll with it to car meets just to let everybody mess with it and play around with it. My phone's about to die, but honestly, this is a cool situation to have. And I'm about to like low-key see if I could just wash it off right now. I'll show you guys that process. But that's honestly really fun and really cool to me. Just don't read what I said. This is all like a random stuff, but like, bro, imagine driving and then seeing like somebody have writing all over their car and graffiti all over their car. Like, it's just a cool concept to have and to do. I don't know, but we're gonna figure out how to perfect this, because that's my main goal, to perfect this so that I could do it better. So we always want to do things better, but I mean, it is what it is. And I do have my original hood. That's why I did not do it on my OG hood, because then I would have been fucked if it was bad. You know what I'm saying? So it's not on the OG hood. So I'm about to try to take this out to the back and then wash it off real quick, and I'll show you guys that process or whatever. So let me bring it back there and I'll be back. Y'all, right now I'm gonna spray it off and see if I could just, I'm pretty sure I can, yeah. Spray it all off every time. That's what's up. So all I gotta do to get it all off is that, or just let it rain, and it'll be off. I'm trying to think. It looks like more is coming off with it. I think that's the what's it called that I was talking about. The what's it called? The cotton off that one freaking thing. Yeah, this is the cotton off of the microfiber. We're gonna see how this dries. And see, at least that worked to clean it off and everything. So cleaning it off shouldn't be too crazy, hopefully not. I can't believe this is actually like working right now. I'm gonna come back in a little bit and try to see how it dries or whatever. It doesn't look like any of the chalkboard spray or whatever is actually coming off. This honestly just looks like the cloth from the cloth that I was using at first, and hopefully that all comes off. Because it's like weird, but definitely those scratches are staying there on some BS. This has already been going on for like 2 minutes. Tough. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it dry and then I guess I'll be back.